My name is Prabhat Rajagopalan. I got a rank of 17 in AILET 2023 and an All India rank of 86 in CLAT 2023. I chose law as a career because I was always very involved in public speaking and debates when I was in school, and I was also very interested in the social sciences, which is why I thought that law was the place where I could best apply myself. I came to know about CLAT Possible from a lot of my seniors whom I spoke to, who particularly recommended the mocks here to me, which is why I thought that CLAT Possible would be the best place after searching for a lot of places to learn. I think the most defining part in my preparation would definitely be the material and the mentors here at CP, especially also that CP put us in touch with our seniors. Particularly, I remember it was Aditya Bhargav who helped me the most probably, and apart from that, I think the mocks at CP are probably the best part of them. For CLAT and AILET, I think for any aspirant, the most important part is having a fixed routine and to keep practicing. I think because once you start practicing, it forms a habit, and then it's very easy for you to crack CLAT and AILET as long as you believe in yourself and you make a good study group.
I came, I enrolled, I conquered.